Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Hi guys, I'm Neha Dhupia and today I'm going to show you everything that's in my bag. Are you ready? I may get sprung by a few surprises. What do I see right on top? I see a water bottle. I don't know why it's in my bag, it's empty. I couldn't find a trash can, so good, at least I can put it in my bag. So basically you know that my bag is a trash can. This goes right back in. What else do I have? Sunglasses. When in doubt, always wear them. Question is, they're not even in here, so I don't know where my sunglasses are. They're somewhere here. Oh yeah, they're right behind me. I think I should settle my sunglasses in right now. Put them back in my bag where they're actually supposed to be, because by the time I get out of here, the sun must have set, because there's so many things in my bag. You'll have to see that. My wallet, which I don't use very much. Perks of being married and your husband being nice enough to always take out his before yours. Speaking of husband, he's been looking for his glasses all day. Oh my god, I broke them! He's gonna kill me. Yeah, I had his glasses, but they're broken now. I can't find the other one. My husband, for sure, in my bag, if he fits. We've got quite a funny side. And then the other two I'll keep in rotation between my friends. I would say parents, but it's kind of heartless to say, okay, I'm going to put my parents in my bag. So yeah, my husband and two of my friends. There's so many things in my bag that everything goes for a toss. Dates, in case I'm hungry, because I have to eat for two, so I have 2 dates at all times. Headphones. What else do I have? Wipes, essential. Whether you're pregnant or not, always essential. That's a tough one. I don't want to swap my bag with anyone because I have so many essentials in my bag, and if I don't have my medicine or my mosquito repellent or my makeup or my house keys when I need it, it's going to be a problem. What am I going to do with somebody's credit cards when I don't know the PIN? What else do I have in my bag? I have a makeup kit that is right here. I always, wherever I go, I always steal stationery. So if somebody else has a pen, I'll quietly keep it in my bag. So again, this is somebody else's pen, and now this person knows whose pen it is. It's an inside joke between me and my manager, because he steals my pens and I steal his. I'd steal Deepika's bag. I don't know what's inside, but the bags are very fancy, so I'm happy just stealing the bag. What else do I have? Mosquito repellent, important. Panadol for a headache. Yeah, and ooh, what's in this? A brand new iPhone. Ta-da! Why do I have a brand new iPhone? Perks, 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 perks. Everybody's always giving you gifts. And my perfume, I don't go anywhere without it. So just now that we're at it, might as well spray some on. I have a vintage YSL, which I bought from a sort of a vintage store in Italy. So that one's a very cool bag that I have. Okay, that's it. House keys I can't find. I don't know how I'm going to get inside. So yeah, usually I carry such a big bag just so that I have my wallet and my house keys and my phone. My bag can be this small, but I refuse to carry small bags. I always have really big ones. That's it. It's shut. Time's up. What else do I have? Ooh, essential. I love sleeping and I love my show. So yeah, I got No Filter Neha on my face. Okay guys, so that's all the stuff that was in my bag. It's very exciting. And my fabulous show, No Filter Neha Season 3. Remember, No Filter Neha Season 3 has launched on Savan. So remember to tune in. And if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to Pinkvilla.